Doo-doo. Oh, I love that intro. Guys, hello, this is your musician friend, AK, coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is One More Day, and that is by Mississippi Mass Choir. We are in the key of F, and this is a nice song to get into. And I'm not gonna lie, I think it was inspired by Stevie Wonder a little bit, so we're gonna get into it. But you know what? This was actually requested by DeWitt. Thank you so much, DeWitt. Thank you so much for giving us an awesome song to work on. And of course, before we start, I gotta show you what I'm working with. Yep, I got my Celsius, and that is the watermelon. I'm gonna check that out real quick. Let me see what it tastes like. Give me 1 second. That's so good. Guys, I want you to head to your favorite refrigerator, open it up, grab your favorite beverage, head back to your favorite keyboard, sit down and learn with your favorite instructor, me, AK, on today. And guys, before we start, I want you to hit that like right there. Bam, I see you just hit it. Thank you so much. It brings more people to our community. Thank you. All right, guys, we're in the key of F. That's F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, and F. Of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, we have the great Mississippi Mass Choir in the building. Oh, I think I hear them warming up. Yep, I hear them. Their beautiful voices are warming up. And you know what? While they warm up, we're going to warm up out here. Let's stretch our knuckles, stretch them out. All right, let's receive the great Mississippi Mass Choir. Let's get it. Let's give it up for Mississippi Mass Choir. To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. All right, guys, easy song. We're going to get through it. It's got a nice little cool groove. It's like a Stevie Wonder groove, actually. I feel like switching to a clavinet and playing his so that's the groove. So what we're doing is we're on the 1 and we're playing this F dominant 7 chord, and then we're going, what am I doing? I'm playing an A flat major chord to a B flat major chord. My left hand is just going 3 flat, going to a 4. And then we're going back to the 1. And right there on the 1, we're going right back to this F dominant 7 chord. So that groove will sound like boom, boom, boom. Now, what I was doing was instead of doing that groove all the way through, the second time through, you can go. All right, what that is we're going to the 7 flat. We're going to the 5, 4, 3 flat, and 1. All right, so here's what the song sounds like. It's like I woke up early this morning and I saw a brand new day. We're gonna walk up. All right, let me give you that walk up. So we're going 1. We're playing this F dominant 7 chord. Next chord, we're going to our 2, and we're playing this G dominant 7 chord. Going to our 3 flat, and we're playing this very cool A flat dominant 7 chord. Now we're going to our 3. We're playing an A dominant 7 chord, and we're ending right here on our 4, and we're playing a B flat dominant 7 chord. All right, let's get the groove for that. All right, what am I doing? I'm staying on 1 chord. I'm staying on that B flat dominant 7 chord, and then I'm going to my 3 flat, 2, 1, 6. All right, so now we're going. Do that 4 times. What did I do? I'm on my A flat dominant 7 chord on the 3 flat. I'm on my G dominant 7 chord. That's a C dominant 7, and that's on the 5. And we're back to our 1. We're back home, and that's our F dominant 7 chord. And then we go back to the same groove. What is that one more day? We're on our 7 flat, playing a really easy E flat chord, right? Nice. We're going to the 4. We're playing a B flat dominant 7 chord, regular F chord on our 1. So we do that groove again. So that 3rd time they go. What is that? We're on our 4. We're playing a B flat dominant 7 chord. Then we're going to our 7 flat, and we're playing a regular E flat chord. Going back to our B flat dominant 7 chord on the 4. Then we go back to the groove. Then they go, thank you, thank you. What is that? We're on the D flat chord, and that's on the 6 flat. Going to our 7 flat and playing an E flat chord, and then we're going right back to our D flat chord, and that's on the 6 flat. The last chord is we're playing this right here, regular B flat chord. Then we go back to our groove. 1 more day. Okay, of course you got to hit that 1 more day at the end. Of course that's E flat on the 7 flat. We're playing our B flat dominant 7 on the 4, and then we're going back to our F dominant 7 on the 1. Guys, I hope that was able to help you out. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is watch your kids. I remember being a young parent with 2 toddlers, one calm and laid back, the other loud and full of adventure. But we love them both just the same. My wife and I pulled up to their grandparents' house, and I took both of them out of the car. Meanwhile, with a burst of excitement and zero concern for safety, my daughter flew down the hill towards the street. Naturally, it wasn't the one who actually listens when I say slow down. She was running down the hill so fast, I was yelling, "Stop, come back." But at that speed, I might as well have been sending a letter. Seeing that she wasn't listening, I had to book it. I mean, I was running so fast that I didn't catch her to the bottom of the driveway. But by the grace of God, I reached her before a car came flying by. I learned that toddlers have to be watched at all times. They're full of energy, and it's never a dull moment with them. Watch your kids. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this was beneficial to you. And feel free to like and share as we continue to build this community. And of course, as always, guys, we have a Facebook page. I would love for you to go and check out that Facebook page. It's Numerical Melodies on Facebook. That is me playing all of the songs that I love to hear and play. And I hope you do as well. And also, we have a cool new option. If you hear it, I will play it. It's called Viewers Request. Just hit me up in the comment section. I will check it out and I will learn it. And of course, I would love for you to hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell, there's a subscribe button. Some say it takes a minute. Some say it takes a week. I don't know why it takes a week, but I think it only takes 3 seconds to hit. Let's try it out. 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit the subscribe button and you just hit the bell. Awesome. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Guys, last but not least, you're not just playing the music, you are the music. This is AK signing off.